My name is Gundavena Shiva and my roll number is H5, belongs to Electric and Communication Engineering. Today my topic is the decision feedback equalizer. The decision feedback equalizer is a form of non-equalizer equalization which relies on decision about the level of previous symbols to correct the current symbol. This allows the decision feedback equalizer to account for distortion in the current symbol that is caused by the previous symbols. An equalization techniques is that which composite ISI created by multi-tin dispersive or time varying channels. So the main purpose of equalizer is to reverse the effect that the channel has on the transmitted signal. The main purpose of equalizer is to reverse the effect that the channel has no transmitted signal, with the main aim of reproducing the original signal at the receiver end. As a real world communication channel are stressed with higher data rates, in intersymbol interference ISI becomes a dominating limiting factor. One way to combat this effect that has recently received consider attention is this use of a decision feedback equalizer in the receiver. The action of the decision feedback is equalizer is to feedback a weighted sum of past decisions weighted sum of past decision to cancel the ISI the cause in the present signal interval. This paper summarizes the work in the area beginning with a linear equalizer. Three performance criteria have been used to drive optimum systems: minimize the noise, varies under a zero forcing, concentrate, cancelled, minimize the mean square error between the true sample and the observed single just prior to the decision threshold, and minimize the probability of error. The transmitter can be fixed and the receiver optimized, or one can be obtain the joint optimum. Transmitter and receiver, the number of past decisions used in the feedback equation can be finite or infinite. The finite case is easier to handle analytical. In addition to review the work done in the area, we show that the linear equalizer is in fact a portion of the DFE receiver, and that the processing done by the decision feedback equalizer is exactly equivalent to the general problem of a linear prediction. Other similarities in the various system structure are also shown. This effect of error propagation due to incorrect decision is discussed, and the coaxial cable channel is used as an example to demonstrate the improvement and available using decision feedback equalizer. Here we see picturized decision feedback equalizer and its process. decision feedback equalizer, generate 500 quantized number from 1 to 500 randomly and denoted it as S. Pass it through channel whose transfer functions is denoted by B, and let the channel output be T, and then quantize T, and the quantized output is denoted by R. Define step define step size and delay delta. Define equalizer coefficient matrix. Iterate the loop. Generate the vector of the received signal and denoted it as RR. Then calculate its error. Update the equalizer coefficient, passing it through the filter, and generate output Y. The main work of the decision feedback: reverse the channel to reverse the channel. That's it. Thank you.